Makumalo was asking Musamseleku about Mpilo's ceremony because last time Musamseleku and Makumalo they were planning to have a ceremony for Mpilo. Mpilo was using Zungu surname. Zungu is her mother's surname, so they want to change her to be called Mseleku. So Makumalo was asking Musamseleku because Musamseleku was the one who said we have to have a ceremony for Mpilo to welcome her in the family. But Musamseleku says he is no longer doing that ceremony because they are not getting along. Even Mpilo is not supporting Musamseleku about their things with Makumalo, what. So Musamseleku says he didn't do those things because now Mpilo's mother is being involved, guys. You know that Makumalo and Mpilo's mother, they had a conversation about that ceremony. But Musamseleku says it won't happen. But they have to know that the mother of the child is being involved. Why they want to involve Mpilo for their fights, Makumalo and Musamseleku? Yes, we know that they don't understand each other. But Musamseleku says it won't happen. Musamseleku, I think he is fear to being embarrassed in front of people, what I saw. The way Makumalo, she acts on award, I don't think that Musamseleku, he will have got another event with Makumalo. The way Musamseleku, he feel embarrassed. That's why Musamseleku now, he is cancelling Mpilo's ceremony. And maybe they can do it when they are getting along. Because Msamseleku says to Makumalo, Mpilo is our child. You understand? Yes, Mpilo's mother, she is being involved, but Mpilo is our child. We are not getting along. How we can have a ceremony for Mpilo? But why they want to involve Mpilo about their fights or what? But Makumalo, she has to stop to behaving strange in front of people to have a ceremony, peaceful ceremony. I think Musamseleku, he want to have a peaceful ceremony. Because the way guys Makumalo, she is acting now, maybe Musamseleku, he is avoiding those things or to have drama in front of people. He is avoiding because sometimes you can take Makumalo's side, but Musamseleku at other side, he is right. But why they want to involve Mpilo? You understand him? So that's why Musamseleku says that ceremony have to stop now and you have to get along with Mpilo, Makumalo, Mpilo, and Musamseleku. They want to fix things between the two of them and they can have a ceremony for Mpilo. You understand? So Makumalo, she was looking not okay because Mpilo is a child. She doesn't want Mpilo to be involved on those things. But it can't happen that Musamseleku can have a ceremony for Mpilo. Makumalo is not there, is not around. I don't think it's good. It's not good. Musamseleku want to fix their relationship with Makumalo. But Musamseleku, the way he was talking to Makumalo that me and you, we are not husband and wife. You know that Musamseleku, the way he talks to Makumalo is the way Makumalo now, she is behaving like that. Musamseleku, when he is talking with Mayeni or Mangwabe, he is behaving very well, very humble. Mayeni and Mangwabe, guys, insult Musamseleku a lot. But Musamseleku, he is trying with his own best. But with Makumalo, when he is with Makumalo, their conversation is different. It's very different. So, guys, what about Mpilo now? Musamseleku says he have to wait. They have to wait to fix their relationship. First, after fixing their relationship, they can have a ceremony for Mpilo because they can't have a ceremony for Mpilo, but they are not getting along. Musamseleku want Mpilo to took his side, what I saw. Want Mpilo to took his side. I don't understand because Mpilo doesn't want to be involved. Mpilo tells Musamseleku that I don't want to be involved on your situations with Makumalo because I'm a child. You understand? Musamseleku is upset of that. Musamseleku have to know that Sneh and Mpilo are different. Mpilo doesn't want to be involved. If it was Sneh, guys, we know Sneh very well that she behaves like